place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me.
Who can find on through all these doors? Touring basement couches and living room floors. On to the next town, to the next show. Cause I wouldn't call it a dream and I can't let go. And trying to break into some boys club. They got cigars in that dry rub. I'd love to sing them on my songs, to see what I got. I wanted to get older where the flowers hit the trees, where the lakes go to the rivers and the rivers throw a breeze. Raise a couple kids, becoming honest man. I put 100,000 miles on this van, cause I'm a running man. Sometimes I feel like I'm insane, expecting different fruit from the same damn thing. But the sound of this band hitting that note takes this drowning man and it makes him float. I wanted to get older where the flowers hit the trees, where the lakes go to the rivers and the rivers throw a breeze. Raise a couple kids, becoming honest man. I put 100,000 miles on this van, cause I'm a running man. I'll keep on running, man. Oh, I'm running, man. I'll keep on running, man. Cause I love to sing you all my songs. And when you sing along, it brings on something that I thought was gone. It turns the switch back on. I wanted to get older where the flowers hit the trees, where the lakes flow to the rivers and the rivers throw a breeze. Raise a couple kids, becoming honest man. I put 100,000 miles on this van, 'cause I'm a running man. I'm a running man. I'm a running man. I'm a running man.